Lawmakers at the state capitol are sifting through hundreds of amendments to the state's biennial $247 billion budget. It's a process that is expected to go well into the night, and they included a proposal to expand Medicaid in Texas that Republicans ultimately shut down.
But as our Maggie Glynn reports, that doesn't mean the end of expansion discussions this session.
She, thanks to Medicaid, has been able to access medicine and therapy for some mental health conditions that she lives with.
Lauren has taken care of her younger sister, Soraya, for years. Soraya has technically aged out of the Medicaid program after turning 19 this year, but the pandemic protections kept her covered.
Texas did not disenroll children who were eligible for coverage at the beginning of the public health emergency when they aged out.
When the public health emergency is over, Soraya will join 1.4 million Texans in the coverage gap. Those who don't meet income qualifications for Medicaid, but also don't qualify for Affordable Care Act subsidies and credits.
Right now, she is preparing to go to college in the fall. She's working part-time.
It's about time for us to cover the rest of the people who are not part of the ACA above 138% of the poverty level.
Historically, Republicans have been against Medicaid expansion, citing concern that expansion could end up costing the state more in the long run.
I must respectfully ask that you vote no on this amendment.
So far, however, 9 Republicans have signed onto a separate Medicaid expansion bill. It would maximize federal dollars already available to the state with precautions in place so the state wouldn't end up footing the bill.
The Live Well Texas plan addresses a lot of concerns that people have had to expanding health care coverage. It has a stopgap measure if the funding ever ceases at the federal level.
Maggie Glynn, KXAN News.
While the 9 Republicans who signed onto the bill would be sufficient for it to pass on the House floor, the bill still awaits committee assignments, with only 6 weeks left in the session. The National Academy for State Health Policy tracks where states stand on Medicaid expansion. Right now, Texas is one of 12 states that hasn't expanded Medicaid. Those states are highlighted in orange. The states in green have expanded Medicaid. The states in blue expanded as well, but they're using an alternative to traditional expansion through a waiver.